Hi everybody, welcome back to my basement once again. And yes, we are finally back in the basement. It was a very long time and as you can see, it's autumn, outside is raining and I cannot do videos outside anymore. So I cleaned up the room and here we are. And today I'm gonna review a drone from Iflight as you can see. And this is not a new drone at all, this is the old Nazgul V2. Just got this because I just fell in love with the Nazgul V5, the new edition. This is the top of the line from Iflight. This drone is amazing, you can check out the review in the description. And I just love this so much. It just has a couple of issues, let's say. One, it's beautiful and you don't wanna crash this at all. And second, it's a little bit expensive. So I wanna see if something old from Iflight can replace this in a sketchy situation. Maybe you wanna fly in a bando, you wanna do some heavy acro with it and you don't wanna mind crashing it, you know what I'm talking about. And before I open this box, please remember to like, subscribe and comment on this video. Help me please the YouTube algorithm and support my channel. Another way of supporting it is if you have to buy something, you can find the links in the description down below and you also get a discount. Thank you so much. Let's get on with the review. And here it's the drone box. As you can see, it's the classic Iflight box. Also there is a little dent from the shipping. Let's open it and see what's inside. We have foam, 2 pairs of Nazgul props from Iflight, and very nice, they include spares, very nice flat micro USB cable, and a little bag full of accessories, a lot of hardware, spare battery strap and 2 battery stickers, one is a replacement one, and here we have the video antenna and the antenna tubes. Then we have the screw for the GoPro mount with the hex key, and here there is the plug and play receiver connectors. This is very nice. And we have instructions and stickers right here. And boom, here we have the drone itself, and first thing first, just look at the crazy amount of stickers. We have a propeller rotation sticker, then here it says that this drone first flight is gonna fly level, and to change that you need to go into beta flight to put it into acro mode so you can do flips and stuff. Then here we have a warning that says never change the tune because this drone is already tuned very good by Iflight, and I believe that because these kind of drones fly amazing. Under the battery strap there is another sticker that says you need to place your battery in the center of gravity so the drone flies better. On the battery lid there is another sticker that reminds you to put the antenna on before powering the drone. And just look at the details. Here there is another sticker that says you can rotate your camera angle. And on the back there is a plug with receiver written into it, so you know you're gonna plug your receiver into it. And all of these stickers are amazing for beginners because it's gonna avoid making very classic mistakes that can break your quad without even flying it. So very nice Iflight. And now let's look at the specs of this drone. So this is an X-frame 5-inch 6S analog. No receiver, this is the cheapest options basically, and I'm gonna add my own DJI digital camera and VTX later. I'm gonna try it analog for this review. The motors on this drone are Shingi Pro 2207 1800 kV motors. They are powered by double stack 45 ESC all-in-one down here, F7 flight controller with micro USB, not USB-C. Like on the newer model as you can see. On the front right here we have a Racecam R1, this is 19 by 19 millimeter, and on the back we have a 800 milliwatt Iflight VTX. And that's all for this drone. Now I'm gonna put it into beta flight, set it up, and then we're gonna go outside and fly it. Let's go. And we are back in the backyard. Finally, today is a beautiful day, there is sun and it's perfect weather to fly this bad boy right here. I set it up. I also tried hovering indoors. Let's try flying and see how it goes. And then I'm gonna put a camera on it and do a spin with the camera. First flight with this thing, and I don't really like analog that much. Because you cannot see the branches. I mean, wow. Without anything on top, it flies perfect. I mean, I already knew it would fly perfect, but on rails, look at this. On rails. Wow. Yeah. And I don't really like seeing the standoffs up top. Probably this camera is very wide field of view, so that's why. I'm not, you know, an acro beast or nothing. I mean, I'm flying with 800 milliwatts and the signal is going well. Also, I'm not phased the direction of the drone. So this antenna with this VTX is very good actually. Very good. Look, there is like minor interference, but nothing crazy behind the trees. Yeah, this is autumn, so leaves are losing their moisture. Maybe that's the reason. I don't know, but it's not bad at all. It's not bad at all with the reception. I was used to much worse. Yeah, so I'm gonna land because it gets boring looking at the DVR, and this drone just flies perfect. Let's see if it flies good with a camera on top, and then you already know the review. My English. I've not done reviews for a while, my English is not very good. Boom. First impression about this drone is, of course, you saw it flies amazing. And I think Iflight really knows how to make 5 inches. And also it surprised me on the VTX side. I had just a bit of interference back there, but that's crazy. Because with other VTX, like from TBS back in the days, I had a ton of interference. And this thing was performing amazing. So very nice VTX. But, you know, I'm gonna switch to digital anyways because I wanna see branches and stuff like that when I fly for the extra peace of mind. So, let's put a camera on it and let's fly. Boom! I just put my Hero 10 on it and I noticed something I don't really like a lot. So this is a true X design. Every motor is the same distance from each other and this is for the best flight performance, and you saw that basically. But it has a very big downside. In fact, the front arms are sticking out a lot from the camera, and this is the minimum angle you need to have in order not to see the propellers in your video. Anything less than this, like you wanna fly at 20, maybe chill it and fly, you're gonna see your propellers tip. Some people like it, I don't, because I shoot cinematic content and I don't wanna see propellers in view. So you always need to fly at a very hard angle and you're gonna be going fast. This is good if you fly like a mountain or something like that, you need to pick up speed, but yeah, I just wish, I don't know, this was a little bit further out, or maybe this was a stretched X design with the arms, you know, a little closer on the sides, so you put the propeller back.
Activated.
Flies just perfect. A lot of power. Remember, this is a Hero 10 on top, so it's one of the heaviest things you're gonna ever put on it. And I still don't like seeing the standoffs. And also we have to fly at this aggressive, kind of aggressive, it's like 40-45 degrees angle, which, by the way, is not totally bad. I expected worse. You can do car chase like that. Fly maybe a cinematic. But if you're gonna fly slower, you're gonna see a lot of the sky and not a lot of the ground. And also, always remember the analog camera is wide angle, so GoPro sees a little bit less. Especially when you stabilize it. Yeah, but the drone flies very good and I'm so scared of hitting a branch actually. It's not bad. Flies even a little bit better than the dead cat version, but that's maybe a placebo. You should try them blindfolded to just know that. yeah, for about $100 less, it performs probably just the same as the other one, so it's a great value. If you don't mind flying exclusively with this very hard angle on the camera. It doesn't care. It doesn't care about flying with the GoPro. Wow. Let's land. Yeah, my battery. And also is kind of efficient. We are, yeah, 3.6. You probably can go 3.5, but oh, there. I'm looking back at the footage right now, and you can see a little bit of propeller down in the bottom there. And still I was flying like this probably. So yeah, you need a really high angle for your camera. And I need to experiment a bit, because probably ReelSteady stretches out the fisheye effect, so you don't see much of the propeller at all. And also another thing is this propeller while spinning is quite transparent if you have grass on the bottom. So maybe if you get clear propellers, you're gonna have a better time. Wrapping up this review of the Nazgul V2. Actually, this drone is one of the best value for money out there, and it flies just as good as this one, the top of the line F5D Evoque. It costs a lot less. You can check out the links in the description. You also get another discount, so it costs even less. And it will be perfect if, in my opinion, maybe it's perfect for you, but will be perfect for me if, again, the arms were a little bit back, so I wouldn't see the props on the GoPro. Because my use case for this drone was actually replacing the F5D for more risky spots, and you have just less money in the air, less stuff that can break. There is no plastic to break, no LEDs, and it's just more simple and better to repair and to buy actually. So I just hope for this little thing it will be perfect. That's my review for this drone. It's a very good drone, and if you like having the propellers in view sometimes, it's perfect for you. And as always, that's all for this video. Remember to like, subscribe and comment down below. Let me know which one of these two would you pick. And as always, if you have to buy something, links in the description again. You help me a ton. Stay safe and happy flying. Bye!